Welcome to the Monsoon Awareness Week web briefing, brought to you by the National Weather Service in Phoenix, Arizona. The week of June 9th through the 14th has been designated as Monsoon Awareness Week in Arizona. Each day a different topic will be addressed to highlight significant weather hazards and safety precautions to take when severe weather strikes. Today's topic is lightning safety. Lightning can strike several miles away from a storm and is the number 2 thunderstorm-related killer. Some safety tips to keep in mind are to keep clear of trees, power and telephone poles, and tall objects. If you hear thunder, move inside a strong building and remain there for 30 minutes after thunder is last heard. If someone is struck by lightning, call for help immediately. For more information, please visit our webpage at weather.gov/Phoenix for the latest forecasts. As always, a NOAA Weather Radio is a great way to be alerted to the most recent watches, warnings, and advisories in your area. The National Weather Service Phoenix office is on Facebook, so check out our page and like us to follow along. We're also on Twitter and YouTube posting updates with weather and climate information. Thank you for tuning in and have a safe monsoon.